Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this star-shaped eye hack on Dress to Impress. Unfortunately, you do need VIP for this because we do need the earrings. So let's get started with the video. Select these earrings. Also, it might change like depending on your eye shape. So for this one, I used these eyes over here. It's the third one on to the left. Select the earrings, and these are the adjustments. Position the X to 0.43, Y to 0.58, Z to 0.51. Rotate the X to 0.54, Y to 0.59, and scale it to 0.32. As you can see, like if you change the shape of your eye, it's going to move and it's not going to be in the middle. So for instance, you want to change the eye shape, just make sure you kind of move it a little bit more. For instance, this one, I'm just going to move it a little to the right here, and I'm just going to move that so it looks something like this. But that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.